day 122. This was the 30th of December, 2022. It was a Friday, so I still had bad sleep, even though we got the problems resolved in the last couple of days. It's just been a stressful last couple of days, but my body's catching up and calming down. Um, I did my exercise, 45 minutes, with a 5-minute jog, and then I did power training. I had power training session at noon. A lot of work on books. There's lots and lots of work because I had lots and lots of books. So we're doing it, trying to do as much as we can to taking full advantage of textbook season. And then I had a remote wellness academy coaching call. So I had practice for an hour, and then the actual coaching calls, which is about an hour and a half. So that takes a lot out of you doing those coaching and training calls. And then I also went to the supermarket as well. So that was my day for day 122. Let me know if you have any questions. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.